Hi guys, it's Liv. I am going to be showing you how I got this romantic, glowy look using the new Love collection from Pat McGrath Labs. So I'm going to start with some blush in Desert Orchid, and I like to add this to the apples of my cheeks, and I also drag it up because it just shapes my face really nicely. See that difference? Everything. This side, same thing, right up to the temple. Okay, this next product is Pat's secret to flawless under eyes. You have to do this after you've already used your setting powder. And just pat it right under my eye. Flawless. Okay, we're gonna move to the eyes. And this is the new Iconic Infatuation eyeshadow palette from the Love collection. It comes with 3 matte shades and 3 shimmers. And I'm gonna start with Bare Venus. And I like to use this as basically just the outline for the rest of the look. Okay, next up, the Fetishize liquid eyeshadow from the Love collection. And by the way, guys, these liquid eyeshadows are brand new and they're exclusive to the Love collection. And the more pressure you apply on this, the more glittery it gets. Before I move on to the shimmer shadows, I just want to show you guys what I meant about applying pressure to this liquid eyeshadow. This is a more metallic-y, wet look. So when I apply some pressure with my finger and rub it all around, it actually releases the pearl in the formula and is so shimmery and gorgeous. We love a multifunctional product. Then I'm gonna go back in with this one right here, which is shade Forever Adored. It's looking really major, but minimal effort. Last step on the eyes, I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner, and I like to add just the smallest amount. And then I actually take my nail and drag the wing out a little bit. And again with the nail. And of course, mascara. Moving on, I'm gonna go in with Structure. And by the way, this is everyone's favorite shade. And then for lipstick, we have a brand new shade of the Satin Allure lipsticks in the Flesh. It's just like the perfect nude. This is my favorite because it adds a little bit of shine and it feels really hydrating while you wear it. Cute. Okay, we need highlighter. These ones never add texture to my skin and they don't have a cast. See the difference? And a little bit right down here. Gorgeous. And there you have it. A full face using Pat's new Love collection. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I absolutely love how this look came out and I cannot wait for you guys to all try the new Love collection from Pat McGrath Labs.